Panguva ino vanhu vozvibvunza kuti is this now the end of Emerson Mnangagwa? Noda kwe the growing resistance from ZANU-PF pamwe the military. Saka pena mashoko atona kuti panguva ino ndikamira munyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino Matibosi anenge akutena down. We never know kuti ivo the ruling party vari kutemba nei nevakomana vari kupoza mutungamiri wenyika vari kutemba nei. Saka pena mashoko anobuda chianalyzo panapa nevakomana nzimba aidodwa subscriber like what on the bell icon tipira panapa ubuda nyora achiti despite party officials insisting on the legitimacy of this move, dissent in rapid growing within ZANU-PF, the military and war veterans, three critical pillars that historically determined Zimbabwe's leadership transitions. Recent public appearance in political maneuvers by Vice President Constantino Chiwenga have fueled speculation that the military might be positioning itself to challenge Mnangagwa's rule. Last week, Chiwenga's grand entrance at the National Heroes Acre, where a massive crowd erupted in chants of a pro-opposition Sonchapsa song, was interpreted as a powerful statement that Mnangagwa's authority is under siege. For now, Mnangagwa faces his biggest political crisis since taking power in 2017. His bid to manipulate the constitution to extend his rule has sparked internal rebellion, alienated key allies, and emboldened his political enemies. With the Zimbabweans already predicting his imminent downfall, the country could soon witness a dramatic shift in leadership, whether through a coup, a backroom deal, or an unprecedented resignation. As the crisis deepens, all eyes are on Harare to see if Mnangagwa can survive or if history is about to repeat itself. Tomashoko anobuda itoko panapa ona achiti aiwa panapa takunyasa kuona kuti zvizvakuitika muguta guru panapa kuti pane matukemino nyika charezaina kana kuti vachienda kubackdoor vanowirirana kana kuti takutongonanga kuno history yobva repeata zvai itself tozongonza kuti vakomana anzouya zvenyu kustadium mubvise mukuru. Tudze mafunguro enyu mari kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.